so it's Asadex. Yeah, that's my name because I'm like so cool. Because yeah, I'm Bhaddie. So we're gonna be like opening. We're gonna be like opening these. Wow, that's so ugly. Yeah. So we're gonna be opening this. Yeah. Okay, that's ugly. Cause like, oh my god, this Christmas thing is like so ugly. Like, do they have anything? Neon. Like, okay, I like that. But like, if I change it, that looks like yellow, but like not very yellow. So no. Okay, this is just blinding me. Like, it's so ugly. So anyways, we're gonna be like getting VIP. Cause like I'm rich, so I'm gonna buy it. So watch me buy it. I don't know. She's poor. Poor. So we're gonna be buying VIP. Like this one. We're gonna call it this because like yeah, I'm rich. So it's really ugly set, but I think I can choose a card. So like I'll be down. So we're gonna buy it, guys. We're gonna do my V card. This is a V card, I think. And it's similar. So let's do that. So 1 second, guys. I'm gonna do it. Let's see. I'm gonna pause recording. Sorry. Card. Guys, I'll say Rat's the line, Rat's the line. Okay, hey guys, so I got my credit card number. This is my credit card number, like, yeah. So we're gonna do it, cause I'm smart, so I totally know what I'm doing. Okay, guys, so what we're gonna do. Okay, guys, it didn't work. Okay, guys, so as you can see, it's payment success. But it is like this because it's glitched. But anyways, as you can see this, because you know I am hacker. So like this. But you know, because I am hacker.
You have to just.
So like hackers can get the money for free. So so they have blocked request URL. Now, when you go to here again, now this is hacking, you know, hacking. So as you can see, if I enter, excuse me, this is my thing, because I am rich. So yes, this is the because I am rich. Sorry guys, like I said. See, so because I'm rich, so you can use my money. Okay, guys, I will be right back. Let me see if I can pause this. Okay, I think it's paused. So let's see. See, where does it go? Where does it go? Oh my god. CVV. VV numbers. Okay. Okay, guys. Hello. Yeah. Let's type in this. Okay, it's not letting me do it, so I'll be back. Okay, now these are rats. I'm done. Okay, hi guys. I will be back. Oh my god, these rats. So annoying. Okay, so annoying. Okay, hey guys, so what you're gonna do is from hair, you have to remove it. And now you have to do payment success at thank you for buying VIP now. Either. Okay guys, so I'm going to be back and I'll be back, okay? Ugh, time to get off this stupid owl. Sorry. Rats. Stupid rats. Okay guys, I bought it as you can see. This is my receipt. Thank you so much. As you can see, I'm here. I am VIP. I can buy things now. I'm still level 3, but like that's like 30. You can see I'm level 474 because I am rich, and now we are going to buy some cool things. So yeah, because I am 19 and I am really rich. I bet y'all ain't even that rich because I'm like so baddie. You know, baddie, right? So this is really baddie. So I really like it. So we're going to do Miss Olini Acts. And now because I really like these pants, we're going to put them in green. And then this one in yellow. Cause like I'm poor and you're all rich. Like I'm so rich. So like don't even try me. Yeah. And now we're gonna do shoes. So come on, these shoes. We're gonna go to miscellaneous. I know these one shoes I really liked. So we are going to see. These might take a while. Ah yes, these one. They look so baggy. Cause like they're like so fluffy. And yeah, and they're like they have the nice bottom. So like super cute. I bought all of this now because it's in the cart, duh. So like don't even try. I'm rich. Oh my god, I'm so baddie, like snakes, and like I'm bad, but I don't really like it. Oh my god, no, it needs to be more poofy. I really like poofy hair, it's like this. This is poofy, so we're gonna try it. Anyways, guys, so I have like VIP. Oh my god, that was so cute. Oh my god, my dream hair. I'm not really have my dream hair. I'm like, oh my god. Oh my god, no. It has to be more poofy. We're gonna do styled hair. Because I want pigtails. Like, pigtails are my dream. So, yeah. Okay, this is kind of cute. We're gonna try it in green, and then yellow, and then green, and then yellow. Okay, I think it looks a little cute. I'm starting to look really, really bad. Anyways, we're gonna need. Why is this scary? I don't like it. Like, oh my god, this is supposed to be a baddie. Oh my god, so I'm rich, so I have to have the AirPods. And this, because I'm like so sexy. Because, yeah. And these, and green. Oh my god, these are so cute. I have like Kylie Jenner lips now. Okay, yeah, so that's my full makeup look, guys. Thank you so much. But y'all aren't rich. I'm rich, so like, I'm Bhaddie and I'm on 19, so don't even try me. I'm like so strong too. So don't even try me. Bye, losers. Make me famous.